With Movable Ink and Segment, you can deliver sophisticated campaigns using website and mobile app behavioral data. Data captured by Segment is sent to Movable Ink via a webhook, stored on a Movable Ink profile, then activated and optimized by Movable Ink Stories to use in any marketing campaign. Movable Ink is able to ingest both mobile app and website behavioral events from Segment. These events are then stored on user profiles within Movable Ink to power personalized content for behavioral use cases such as browse retargeting, cart abandonment, and post-purchase modules that never become stale. Setting up the integration is easy. Your Movable Ink representative will provide you with an API key that is specific to your MI account. You will need to input this key in Segment to activate the integration. Here's how. Simply navigate to the destinations page within your Segment workspace, paste the API key into Segment, and turn on the MI connection. MI currently supports 5 event types: product view, category view, add to cart, order complete or conversion, and last search. There may be a need to configure the events to be delivered to MI in the expected format. Clients can work with their CX team to validate that the data is flowing from Segment to MI as expected. So let's see how this works. Navigating over to the Movable Ink platform, we're in the content page. And here we have a hero image set to pull in the behavioral data and dictate what is being shown in the hero image. These 5 event types work seamlessly with our out-of-the-box capabilities for our Stories product. And behavioral targeting rules allow you to write business logic based on behavioral data that comes in from Segment. So let's create a quick rule to leverage that behavioral data. So pulling in the most recently visited item, and if the URL contains white wine within the last 15 days. And if that rule is satisfied at the moment of open, that particular messaging will be displayed in the hero image. If not, we will then default to the default experience where it's just save 5 cents on favorites. These events can also power our out-of-the-box behavioral content apps. So opening up the app gallery, we have the behavioral recently viewed item. And this is great to pull in content that is from the product, like product image, product price, product name, and also on the flip side, provide your marketing team the creative freedom to really style and design how that content block will look. So really 2 things, creative freedom and also providing that automation capability to pull in products at that moment of open based on what someone has recently browsed. So navigating over to the preview, let's see how this works. So right now, this is the default experience for Sarah, save on 5 cent favorites. But if we know that she was recently browsing white wine, we can then quickly merge that in at that moment of open, and it would get displayed and reflected within the hero image messaging as seen here. Movable Ink is also able to connect to Segment's profile API for a broader data set and use cases. Speak to your Segment representative to find out if you have access to the Segment profile API. So once your content is created, simply copy and paste this code into your ESP and watch the magic happen.